It's a little windy. It's a little rainy. Man, I got this whole place to myself right now. I don't know how good I'm gonna do. But hey, maybe I'll get one on my first cast. I figured something would go after it eventually. Something out deeper hit at it. Oh, there we go. Turned out to be a nice little bluegill. Hooked him right in the lip. That's awesome. I didn't bring my camera equipment with me today, so I'm not recording much. Y'all stay blessed. Happy Sunday. Man, I guess the bluegill are biting today. This is the second one, and this one, man, it's eating size. I should have brought my stringer. Finally got another species. Putting it back though. And he's gone. Had to end up taking this dude out, so I stopped fishing, but this all right here wasn't like this. Now it looks like a giant pond. It's kind of cool. Huh. Well, this is kind of cool. Got some wood ear mushroom right here. I just cannot, for the life of me, get my camera to focus on it. Maybe it's just too strange of a friggin' thing for the camera to focus on. Maybe backing up and zooming. No. Anyways, that's wood ear. It's edible. I've had it with ramen before. Fishing and hiking, I guess, video today.